Sound is a vibration, and all vibrations affect every living cell, from a blade of grass to a plant to an animal to us. We are made of billions of cells. We're surrounded by sounds every day, night. Some we can hear, some we can't hear. But actually, if you hear sharp sounds, it has a detrimental effect. If you hear beautiful sounds, it has the most amazing effect. So when we hear sounds, it entrains our brain. Our brain waves do start to drop, and they drop from our normal waking state of beta to the bottom of alpha and the top end of theta, which is 7 to 8 hertz. This is the magical area, and it's called the zone, where the deeper intelligence kicks in, the self-healing kicks in, the heart rate slows down, the blood pressure drops, muscles relax. It's a beautiful place to be.
After the first session, I was just totally convinced that they really have a healing function. I really came out totally different.
Just feeling totally at peace and energized and bringing back to the equilibrium.
I think it resonates with you. You can feel the vibrations in your body and it was like really exciting.
The benefits show up in feeling more relaxed, less stress, and I would say uplifted in all areas of your life. And I think a great thing is you feel happy for no reason, and that's should be a normal state of being.
After seeing RJ, after the session, it's like I get back my creativity. You know, the inspiration comes back, and energy comes back. But most importantly, the connection with the ones that you love, the ones who are very close to you. It's kind of revived, re-energized.
We hold emotional trauma in our cellular structure. Well, if you place bowls around and on the body, the vibrations go right deep into the body, into the cellular structure. Shake it, allow it to let go of the emotional trauma, but actually raise your vibration, expand your vibration. It's like sweeping your cellular structure just free of emotional trauma.
RJ is very personable, very intuitive. When you meet him, you can't but like him. And when he's in the room, it's almost as though the bowls take over. RJ and the bowls are interlinked.
RJ has been doing this work for many, many years, and he has a whole toolbox full of gifts and modalities. We're focusing on his bowls here, but he's got a lot more to offer, and he brings all of that with him. It might come through his bowls, but he has got years and years of experience, and he gives it all beautifully. He's amazing.